Greetings and welcome to the Doncaster Motorcycles YouTube channel. Got a little interesting one for you here today. Triumph Speed Triple 1050. Gent complaining of no drive to the back wheel. So we'll start it up. There you go, can you see? Can you see? First gear. Clutch out. First gear clutch out. And no drive to the back wheel. Oh dear. So we're going to take this off, whiz that off, and then we're going to see what we can find beneath. What's your gamble? What's your bet? No splines left on the old on the shaft over on the sprocket carrier? Can't say as I see this every day, but let's find out. Did you notice the abrupt end to my wonderful commentary? Well, my microphone battery went dead. I do apologise, so I'll try and comment over the video and let you know what was happening. So as you saw, it was the sprocket carrier was rotating without making the wheel move. So I've took the big nut off, and now I'm slackening the adjuster to take the chain back a bit so we can just whiz the chain off the sprocket carrier. And then you will see I can remove the sprocket carrier in situ. Just like that, so the chain's out of the way. And then, so I'm giving you a say, oh, what do you reckon? What's your bets? And then I go, oh my word, just look at that. Or something along them lines. As you can see, can you see all them cracks? It's broken. It's very, very, very broken. And in a very bad way. So yeah, no wonder it wasn't doing its job. So the sprocket carrier, or I don't know which bit that's called. I don't know the technical name of that bit yet. But it goes into the cush drive rubbers. It's fractured and collapsed and broken. So obviously that is not allowing any drive from the chain through the sprocket to the rear wheel. Now I'm trying to inspect as to a reason why. Why has this happened? Is it a problem of any impact or anything? Has the bike been abused? And to be fair, the bike is a very, very clean machine. It looks well cared for, doesn't look raced or rallied. Doesn't look like it's been used as a motocross bike. There's no signs of impact or anything either on the sprocket carrier or any component close to it. So the bearings inside the sprocket carrier feel okay. It really, I think it's possibly a component failure. Has anybody else had this? Is it? I've never seen it, and we get quite a lot of these bikes in. It's the first time I've seen one. I haven't done any research yet. It might be an issue, might be a common thing. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm now going to have to price the parts up and let the customer know and see what he wants to do. But I thought you'd like to see this, because it's not something that we get in every day, one of these little problems. Easily sorted by the look of it, hopefully, if we can get the parts easily enough. As you can see, I think I make a point of apologise. Oh, no, I don't apologise at this point. I'm taking the sprocket carrier out of the cush drive rubbers to try and find as to why. And then I realise the camera isn't even pointing anywhere near what I'm doing. So I do apologise, and I do apologise on the previous comment that you can't hear. So yeah, I'm taking it out bit by bit, trying to see for any reason why it's collapsed, why it's broken. I hate not knowing why, because obviously you put a new component in, and you will always wonder is it going to happen again? It shouldn't happen again if everything's tip-top and in good shape. But if everything's in tip-top and good shape, why did it happen in the first place? So there's the many pieces of the sprocket carrier. I don't know the actual name of that bit because it must come in a few different components, because that's not actually the sprocket carrier. It's the cush drive part bit bob. So there you go, and my phone starts ringing again, so I have to leave at this point. But you've saw the situation that this bike has got, so I'm going to price everything up and then find out for the owner as to the extent of what the cost of the damage is going to be. Hopefully it's just another one of those and put it back together. The labour time's obviously very minimal. I think this is the point of the video where I keep scratching my head, walking around the bike, having a look at the bits and bobs, trying to work out what's happened. And I can't see nothing. So the bearings are all good, the spacers don't look like they're gnarled up, but it has got a quick shifter on. And I do make a note of, I have had bikes in with not the quick shifter issues, more gearbox issues due to quick shifters. They're a bit brutal on the gearbox, can cause fork wear and stuff, but this is not the case here. But maybe it's linked to why this has collapsed. I'm not sure. So I would appreciate if anybody knows anything to comment below, or any questions on the cost of the repair or anything to do with this, because obviously the video will end soon and the bike's not back together yet. I may do another video, I may not, because it'll be quite a boring video looking at a bike that's in perfectly normal working order. So any questions you've got, please ask them in the comments below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. I'll tell you how the bike got on, and anything else you'd like to know. Well, yeah, I keep looking, I can't find nothing. Nope, nothing there. So put it all down, stop the recording, and go to the computer and price it up. I'd just like to say thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This over commentary thing, do you like this? I could definitely get better at this. I could stop the R's and M's and the dead air for one, couldn't I? But yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like I say, any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'll give you a price, I'll give you answers on costings and time and etc. Because by the time you've probably watched this video, I've already priced it up, and I will be able to tell you that after I've told the customer, of course, because the owner is obviously the first man to know. It might not be too bad. Hopefully it's not too bad. There we go. So we've got 20 seconds left of the video, and I'm just going to leave you there.